Hi all, in this video I will show you how to create a small n8n automation workflow that will help you manage incoming emails by identifying which ones are important and which ones can be marked as read, all while using AI for analysis. This automation will save you hours in keeping your Gmail well organized. Check out the links in the description if you would like to get all the resources used to build this workflow. Let us take a look at the workflow. It begins with a Gmail trigger monitoring your inbox for new emails. Next, the AI agent classifies the emails based on criteria we provide. The OpenRouter chat model is used to generate responses based on the analysis. Finally, we have a Gmail node that marks unimportant emails as read, ensuring your inbox stays organized. Download the n8n template I provided in the description before you start building the automation. I will show you how to import the downloaded template. First, log into your n8n account. Once you are in the n8n canvas, click on the three dots here and select Import from File option. Navigate to the directory where you saved the template file. Select the template file and click on the Open button. You can see the workflow has been imported. Now let us walk through the workflow. The Gmail trigger in an n8n workflow listens for new emails in your Gmail inbox and automatically starts the workflow whenever a new email arrives in the designated Gmail inbox. Let us open the node to look at its configuration. Here in the credential to connect with, you will enter your Google credentials. If you did not already create the credential, you can refer to the video link in the description. The poll time is how often it should check for the incoming emails. We have specified that it should check every minute. Under event, we have specified it should check for message received. The simplify field is used to specify whether we should receive simplified version of the email or the raw data. Here we turned it on so that we will receive the simplified version of the email. From the Gmail trigger, the flow continues to the AI agent node, which analyzes the email content. For source prompt, we selected define below, meaning we are providing a specific prompt for the analysis. Here we provided the structured information with variables for ID, subject, and snippet. This helps the AI understand what it is analyzing. We are deriving the value of the ID from this ID field and snippet from this snippet field and the subject from this subject field. In the options, we have added a system message which guides the AI's behavior. We can click on this corner to make it full window. We have provided the instructions to classify emails as important or not, followed by specific criteria for what constitutes as important and not important email. I will provide this entire prompt in the resources section of this video so that you can copy and paste and modify as needed. The next node is OpenRouter chat model node. This node leverages the DeepSeek model to facilitate conversation with the AI agent. Here in the credential to connect with, you will enter your OpenRouter credentials. If you did not already create the credential, you can refer to the video link in the description. The model is set to DeepSeek Chat v30324 free model and there are no additional options configured. The best thing is that the use of this LLM is absolutely free of charge. This node acts as a communication bridge between the AI system and the chat model. The AI agent calls the tool Gmail node. This node is specifically assigned to mark emails as read. In operation, we specified mark as read, indicating that incoming emails deemed unimportant will be marked accordingly. The message ID, we dynamically mapped this to the email ID field here, ensuring that correct email is marked. Keep in mind to save your workflow frequently by clicking this save button. If you don't click on this save button and accidentally close the browser, you will lose all your work. Now we have finished configuration of the entire workflow. We can start our testing and see the results. We can ask ChatGPT to provide examples for important and unimportant email for testing purposes. First, let us send an unimportant email. Here is the content of the unimportant email. Subject says big summer sale, and this is the content of the email. Let us click this send button. You can see here we just received the email in our inbox and it is currently unread. Let us execute the workflow by clicking on this test workflow button, and there you go. The email is marked now as read. We can see the Gmail node tool was called here, and let us check the AI agent output. Here we can see the action taken. The email has been marked as read. This is a promotional email about a sale which falls under the not important category based on the criteria that we have provided. Now let us send an important email. Here the subject is invoice, payment due by July 25. It says please find the invoice details for the services provided this month. Payment is due by July 25, 2025. Let us hit this send button. Here we can see we received the email. Invoice payment due by July 25. Let us click this test workflow button to run the workflow. We can see the workflow is running. The workflow finished successfully, and we can see that Gmail tool is not called at all. Here the email is still shows as unread. Let us check the AI agent output. Here it says this email is important because it contains an invoice and mentions a payment deadline. Here it also says none of your tools were used in this run, meaning the Gmail node was never called. The criteria to mark an email as important or not important can be changed as per your requirement. Make sure to activate your workflow by toggling this button to on position so it automatically runs when new emails are received. And that's it. Bye until next video.